Top onion farming secrets that will shock you. The hidden onion farming truth that will transform your income. These are the shocking secrets of elite onion farming. Secret number 4, the water mystery. Why onions drown when you think they are thriving. The fourth shocking secret that devastates yields and profits is the counterintuitive relationship between water management and onion production. Onions simultaneously need consistent moisture for optimal growth while being extremely sensitive to waterlogging, creating a knife-edge balance where too much water is just as devastating as too little. Yet most farmers massively over-irrigate. They over-irrigate their onions during early growth stages, thinking more water equals better growth, while under-irrigation during the critical bulb sizing stage when water demand peaks. The shocking truth is that improper water management causes more onion farming failures than any other factor, reducing yields by 40 to 70% through rot diseases in overwatered crops or premature bulbing in water-stressed crops. Yet water management is the most overlooked and misunderstood aspect of onion production. Elite farmers who master the water mystery consistently achieve 40 to 50 tons of yields, while their neighbors with identical varieties and fertility achieve only 15 tons, and the difference is almost entirely water timing and quantity. Understanding onion water requirements across growth stages reveals why conventional constant heavy irrigation fails. During establishment phase 1, that is first 3 to 4 weeks post-transplant, onions need frequent light irrigation, maintaining surface moisture for shallow developing roots, but absolutely cannot tolerate waterlogged conditions that cause root rot and fungal diseases. The shocking requirement is daily or even other day light irrigation of just 5 to 8 millimeters rather than heavy twice weekly flooding most farmers practice. During vegetative phase 2, that is 4 to 8 weeks, water demand increases as leaf canopy expands and roots deepen. But the frequency can decrease to every 3 to 4 days because deeper roots can access stored soil moisture. The critical factor is consistency, maintaining steady moisture without wild, wet, dry cycles that stress plants. During bulbs development phase 3, that is between 8 to 14 weeks, water demand peaks as expanding bulbs are 90% water. This stage requires the heaviest irrigation of the entire cycle, with 20 to 30 millimeters every 3 to 4 days. Yet many farmers reduce irrigation during this stage, thinking plants are mature, when they are actually desperately thirsty. The devastating consequences of water mismanagement manifests in multiple ways that farmers often misdiagnose as other problems. Over-irrigation during early stages causes root rot, fungal diseases like purple blotch, and downy mildew that thrive in humid conditions, and yellowing from nutrient leaching. Farmers see these symptoms and apply fungicides and fertilizers, trying to fix what is actually a water management problem. Under-irrigation during early stages causes slow growth, stress-induced premature bulbing, where plants form tiny bulbs too early because they perceive drought stress as a signal to complete reproduction quickly. And poor stand establishment. Farmers see tiny bulbs and assume variety or fertility problems when water stress is the culprit. Most devastatingly, inadequate irrigation during the critical bulb sizing window, that is between weeks 8 to 14, directly limits final bulb weight because bulbs can only size as much as available water allows. This single error probably costs farmers 10 to 15 tons per acre in foregone yield, representing losses of 200,000 to 300,000 shillings or more. The correction requires both understanding proper water requirements and establishing practical irrigation systems to deliver them. For small-scale farmers without sophisticated drip systems, furrow irrigation works excellently if managed properly. Establish furrows between every row or every 2 rows and flood these furrows with water that infiltrates laterally to plant roots. During establishment, irrigate every 1 to 2 days with light applications running water through furrows for just 10 to 15 minutes. During vegetative growth, irrigate every 3 to 4 days with moderate applications, running water for 20 to 30 minutes. During bulb development, irrigate every 3 to 4 days with heavy applications, running water for 40 to 60 minutes, ensuring deep soil wetting. Use a simple soil moisture check. Stick your finger 10 centimeters into soil. If it is dry, irrigate. If it is moist, wait another day or 2. If it is wet and muddy, you are over-irrigating and should extend your interval. For farmers able to invest in drip irrigation, the system delivers maximum water use efficiency and precision control. Install drip lines in every row or every alternate row with the emitters spaced 15 to 20 centimeters. During establishment, run system daily for 30 to 60 minutes. During vegetative growth, run every other day for 1 to 2 hours. During bulb development, run every day for 2 to 3 hours. Drip irrigation reduces water use by 50 to 60% compared to furrow irrigation, while actually improving yield because precision delivery eliminates water stress without creating waterlogging. The investment of approximately 200,000 shillings per acre for a complete drip system pays for itself in the first season through water savings and yield improvements, then continues, delivering benefits for 5 to 8 years of system life. The shocking revelation about water management extends beyond just quantity and timing to the final pre-harvest period that many farmers completely mismanage. 2 to 3 weeks before anticipated harvest, you must stop irrigation entirely, allowing the soil to dry down so bulbs mature properly, developing proper protective scales that enable long storage life. Farmers who continue irrigating right up to harvest produce bulbs with excessive moisture, soft texture, incomplete scale development, and terrible storage characteristics, rotting within weeks post-harvest. They achieve good yield but lose half of it to post-harvest rot. negating all their season's hard work. Elite farmers meticulously time their final irrigation, creating the perfect balance of maximum bulb size from adequate water during growth combination with excellent storage quality from proper drying before harvest. Troubleshooting water management challenges requires daily observation and rapid response to plant signals. If plants show wilting during midday, despite adequate soil moisture, you have root problems from disease or waterlogging rather than true water stress. Improve drainage and reduce irrigation frequency. If lower leaves yellow and die prematurely, you are either over-irrigating, causing root rot, or under-irrigating, causing stress-induced senescence. Check soil moisture and adjust accordingly. If bulbs split or show secondary growth where new shoots emerge from mature bulbs, you irrigated after moisture stress broke dormancy. Maintain consistent moisture, especially during bulb development. The most shocking water management truth is that it is simultaneously the most important and most neglected factor in onion production. Master water timing, and you've mastered onion farming, but fail at water management, and nothing else you do correctly will save your yields. Top 7 onion farming secrets that will shock you. Secret number 5, the weed war reality. Why onions are terrible competitors. Click the link on the description below and watch this inspiring revolutionary secret. Thank you.